Hi everybody, my name is Bailey and I am an SI leader and online tutor for CAPS. This video specifically is meant to introduce you to a semi-new platform that we have in our online tutoring program called the OLC. So first let's just explain how to get to the OLC in the first place. So first go to caps.unm.edu and you can scroll down and see all of the different programs that CAPS offers, but right now we're going to go to the online tutoring program. And that's going to take you to this page where you'll click on online tutoring again. And then it's going to ask you for your net ID and password. So this is the same one that you use to log into your email. So that's going to take you into our homeroom for our online learning center, which lists all the different subjects that we support on the OLC. But let's say, for instance, I needed help on maybe some chemistry homework. I would scroll over and I'd click on chemistry. And then that would take me into the homeroom that's specifically for chemistry. So here I am in the homeroom. And then there you'll be greeted by a tutor. It looks like Rayleigh's online right now. And so I'm going to let Rayleigh know kind of just what, in general, I'm looking for some help on. So for now, let's say I need help on some Chem 121. What Rayleigh's going to do is she's going to open up a new link and post it down here at the bottom of this page. So once that link gets down at the bottom of the board, I'm going to click on it. And then from there, I'm going to click Edit Text up there in the top right corner. From there, I'm going to highlight it, copy that link, and then I'm going to open up a new browser and I'm going to paste it up in the top. Yeah, it's not a hyperlink just yet, so you do kind of have to do a little bit of extra work at this point. So it's going to take me to a brand new room where it's just going to be Rayleigh and I in there. And so one of the first things to know about the OLC is that you have the option if you want to video chat or use the microphone and talk back and forth. And you can see that there's a little camera button and a microphone. So green means on for those, and if you don't want your tutor to be able to see you or hear you, you just got to click on them and that'll turn them off and make them unavailable. So normally your tutor will ask you for your name and then also your ID number, and then you can go ahead and just kind of let them know what you're there specifically to work on. And a cool function that the OLC does have is that if you have a file on your computer maybe that you're working through, you can drop that file down in the bottom right hand corner and then your tutor will also have access to that. You can also post an image if you just go up to the top left-hand corner and just select it from your computer. I know sometimes assignments are easier uploaded that way. Or you can use our text box where you can write directly on the screen, which can sometimes be a little bit easier than trying to write with the mouse. You can also use the pencil tool, which allows you to draw on the whiteboard. I know this isn't really a stoichiometry problem, but I'm going to draw you a nice benzene ring that looks like a very sad hexagon. But obviously it'd be a little bit easier if I could just use the shape tool, and there's a giant hexagon that's much prettier. You can also use the equation buttons to put equations onto the screen. If you don't feel like writing them out, they can kind of be neater this way. We also have tools such as adding functions, Wolfram Alpha, or just adding new pages like down at the bottom. So there's your introduction to the OLC. I hope this was helpful, and I hope that we virtually hear from you in the Online Learning Center at CAPS this semester.